Hi, I'm Susanna Paul from MyPaul Real Estate, and it's an absolute pleasure to welcome you to 6 Stevens Street, Nailsworth. This beautiful home is an original character bungalow on an 866 square metre allotment, offering ample living areas and lush gardens. As you enter through the gates, you will be impressed with this front private garden. This home has all the beauty and the timeless character appeal with polished timber flooring, original fireplaces, beautiful LED light, glass doors and feature cornices. Accommodating up to 5 bedrooms, the front rooms can easily be set up for a home business. With a formal dining and living room, separate lounge room, this property is more than meets the eyes. The magnificent bathroom has all the new amenities, including a spa bath and double vanities. As an add-on, there is a fully contained rumpus room with gourmet kitchen, gas stove, which can be turned into a games room or used as a granny flat and become a functional space. Entertaining is so easy with so many options, with the multiple living areas as well as the spacious lush garden with a veranda in the back. Ideally situated within 5.5 kilometers to Adelaide CBD, within close proximity to the convenience of Prospect, Walkerville and North Adelaide's boutique cafes and shopping precincts, local schools, parks and public transport, this is where convenience meets character. The special surprise inside this home is an indoor swimming pool that you, your friends and your family can enjoy all year round. We look forward to meeting you at our next open inspection.